Today I'm going to show you a great way to bring context into your FormIt model using Infraworks. You can start a model in Infraworks using Model Builder. Model Builder uses the cloud to find data layers and then builds a model from an area that you specify. In this example, I searched for a location in Boston, zoomed in to the specific area I wanted in the Seaport district, and created an Infraworks model from that. You can see that it brought in road data, building data, materials, as well as terrain information. The next step is to export the Infraworks model in FBX format. Once I've done that, I can import the FBX into FormIt. Once the model's in FormIt, I can rotate the modeling grid so it's oriented to the site context, and I can set the location in FormIt to match the location in Infraworks. This allows me to use real-world weather data and solar analysis while modeling in FormIt to inform the early-stage design. And if you already subscribe to the AEC collections, you have this workflow available to you now at no additional cost.